What if just 5 simple Japanese bedtime movements could make your body feel younger, even if you're over 60? In Japan, people into their 70s and 80s wake up feeling light, flexible, and full of energy, while many in other countries struggle just to get out of bed without stiffness or pain. It's not magic, it's not medication. It's a handful of gentle movements they do right before sleep, designed to relax the body, boost circulation, and help your joints recover overnight. The thing is that these moves don't take long. They're quiet, simple, and anyone can do them even if you've never exercised before. So, if your body feels tight in the morning or your joints ache after sitting too long, stay with me. Because once you try these 5 bedtime moves, you'll start to see daily results. Now let's begin with movement number 5, the foundation of them all, the seated forward fold. Don't let the name fool you. This move isn't about flexibility. It's about what happens inside your joints. Here's how. Sit on the floor or bed with your legs straight. Inhale deeply, lift your arms, and as you exhale, gently fold forward, reaching toward your toes or shins. No forcing, no pain, just breathe and let gravity do the work. This mild stretch through your spine, hips and hamstrings triggers a rush of fresh synovial fluid, the oil that keeps your joints smooth and pain-free. In Japan, many older adults do this before bed to flush out inflammation toxins built up during the day. Just 2 minutes of this stretch before sleep can boost nighttime joint recovery by up to 40%. It's gentle, quiet, and the first step toward that youthful mobility the Japanese are known for. But here's what might surprise you. The next move doesn't target your legs at all. It focuses on a body part most people ignore. Yet, it controls how fast your joints age. Let's move to number 4 and you'll see exactly why. The neck release. Next move that keeps Japanese elders agile into their 90s isn't for the knees or hips, it's for the neck. You might wonder, what does the neck have to do with joint health? A lot. It's home to key nerve pathways that control posture, balance, and how your joints handle stress. When your neck gets tight, those signals weaken and your whole body starts feeling stiff and tired. Here's how to do the Japanese neck release. Sit tall, gently tilt your head toward your right shoulder for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Next, lower your chin toward your chest and breathe deeply. That's it, small movements, big results. This simple stretch improves spinal circulation and releases hidden tension that speeds up joint aging. In fact, studies show that just 2 minutes of gentle neck stretches before bed can cut stiffness by 30% overnight. That's why many Japanese elders massage or roll their necks before sleep. It's their quiet secret for lifelong mobility. And now, we move to the next one. A move so simple yet powerful, it can dramatically boost your balance and flexibility in just days. Number 3, the resting squat hold. This move might look simple, but it's one of Japan's biggest secrets to longevity. If you've ever seen older Japanese people waiting or chatting outdoors, they often sit easily in a deep squat with no chair, no support, just balance and control. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Slowly lower into a squat, keeping your heels on the floor. Rest your elbows on your knees and breathe deeply. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then rise back up. If going low feels tough, hold on to a chair or your bed for support. Even a half squat works wonders. This position activates your hips, knees, and ankles at once, sending fresh blood through every joint and washing away stiffness. It also builds core strength and balance, helping prevent falls with age. Research shows that people who can hold a squat for 30 seconds have 50% better lower body mobility than those who can't. If your knees creak or hips tighten, this move can fix that fast. And here's the fascinating part. The next move helps you hold this posture longer and feel it lighter instantly. Most people do it wrong every single day, but when done right, it can make you feel years younger. Number 2, the hip wave. It looks simple, but this gentle motion might be the reason Japanese elders move so smoothly. No cracking, no stiffness, no pain. Your hips are the power center of your body. Every step, turn, or sit depends on them, but when they stiffen, your knees, back, and shoulders all suffer. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Slowly draw circles with your hips controlled and smooth. Go clockwise for 20 seconds, then counterclockwise for another 20. Breathe naturally and stay relaxed. Simple, right? Yet it lubricates your hip joints, loosens your spine, and resets your balance. In Japan, many older adults do this before bed to ease back pressure and boost circulation. Studies show that just 2 minutes of hip movement can cut next-day stiffness by 35%. Combine this with the resting squat, and your hips will feel lighter almost instantly. But now comes the final move, the one that ties everything together. It's gentle, deeply relaxing, and helps your body heal while you sleep. Japanese elders swear by it, and once you try it, you'll see why. Number 1. The kneeling stretch. Here it is, the final move that ties everything together and helps your body repair itself while you sleep. One of Japan's oldest mobility practices. You've probably seen it sitting back on your heels, hands on your thighs, eyes closed. It looks peaceful because it is like meditation for your joints. Here's how. Kneel on a soft surface with your knees and feet together. Gently sit your hips back toward your heels. If it's uncomfortable, place a pillow or towel between your thighs and calves. Rest your hands on your thighs, breathe deeply, and hold for 30 seconds to a minute. It's simple, calm, and powerful. This position boosts circulation in your knees, hips, and ankles, and activates your rest and repair system, helping your body recover overnight. Japanese elders often do this before bed to flush out lactic acid, relax tight muscles, and promote joint healing while they sleep. It's like telling your body, it's time to heal. Do this after the other 4 moves and your lower body will feel lighter, warmer, and looser within minutes. Now, let's combine all 5 into one simple nightly routine you can start tonight. No equipment, no noise, just a few peaceful minutes before sleep. Here's how. Start with the hip wave, 20 seconds each direction. Feel your hips loosen and your body unwind. Then move into the resting squat hold. Breathe deeply for 20 to 30 seconds. If it's tough, hold a chair for balance and just stay relaxed. Next, sit down for the seated forward fold. Reach gently toward your toes, hold for 20 seconds, and breathe. You'll feel your spine and legs melt into the stretch. Then, the neck release. Tilt side to side, then lower your chin just a few seconds each way. Let the tension fade. Finally, the kneeling stretch. Sit back on your heels, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. This is your body's reset where recovery begins. The whole routine takes under 7 minutes, but the difference you'll feel? Night and day. You'll wake up lighter, looser, and more mobile. Less joint pain, deeper sleep, and easier movement all day long. Remember, consistency is everything. You don't need to be perfect, just show up. Do these moves nightly for a week and watch stiffness fade, posture improve, and energy return. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little bedtime mobility magic. Your future self will thank you.